Today we are going to learn about chiseling. So let's quickly run through the tools that we're going to use. We're going to use tools to mark and measure. Then we're going to use tools to cut. And we're going to use tools which will be holding the job. The marking and measuring tools, we have the steel ruler, marking gauge, tri-square, wooden mallet which is used on the chisels, former chisel, mortise chisel, the holding tools, C-type clamp, carpenter's bench vise. When tools are not in use, it's always safe to keep the tools so that to prevent any injuries. So we're going to get all the tools in place and use them as and when needed. We're going to start with the marking. Take the tri-square. We are going to mark. The next step is to clamp the piece to the workbench. See that it's firmly secured to the workbench. Then you take the wooden mallet and the former chisel. Use the straight side. You keep it on the line and give a blow. Give the second blow and then slowly start from the outer side and move closer . Now once you come to the line, finish line, you do it carefully. You start slowly from the outer side . Remove the piece. Keep the clamp secure in the well of the brush. Take the tri-square and then check for your squareness. This is the process of chiseling where you use a former chisel and a wooden mallet, a C-clamp which holds the piece to the carpenter's workbench.